What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. I'm going to try to make this one quick. I'm just going to try to give you guys the facts. The market had this enormous rally today headed into tomorrow #1 Apple event and Amazon Prime Day. Amazon really carried the market today. Apple was impressive. I didn't believe this rally, guys. I didn't think we were going to go this crazy, especially since I even said here at 9:13 a.m. Pacific time. I don't think we pulled back. This was right around here. I mean, we did pull back to that previous resistance, but I mean, we look at that run we had before we pulled back. But the reason I got scared and TQ, my play would have paid off so crazy. It's easy to say in hindsight. We only had 50, but we only look at the profits. Not even a lot compared to we sold on here. I mean, if we would have held, it would have paid. But easy to say in hindsight. I got kind of scared out, spooked because Trump just kept tweeting. Stock market up another 300. I believe he quoted up. He tweeted pre-market, and then we had stock market up big. California is going to hell. A lot of people are leaving California. This one right here at 6:05 a.m. Yeah, when market opens here at 6:30. So, and I kept seeing these threads online saying that just by him tweeting that, the market's going to take a big dump, and it didn't. It didn't. And right now for SPY, we look at the 4-hour. It did not pull back. If you look at my previous video, I said we were going to probably pull back to like the 340s. We are literally inching into the new highs here at 358. I think now momentum carries into tomorrow. So we have to see. I think we do carry on momentum. See, even my alert on Apple didn't go off because we did not pull back towards that low here at 119. I mean, look at this beautiful setup. I got intertwined with Tesla as well. Usually, guys, when you want to get in a trade, you want to wait for three support confirmations, and it didn't. I was waiting for this to crack down, and that's why I kind of got spooked on TQ as well. But I guess I'm still gonna leave my alert. I don't know. And it hit 125, and this one's the same 4-hour. It had that resistance here around 117 on the SMA. Now it's literally just cup and handle, as well as we'll pull up SPY really fast on the day. That cup and handle here is about to close, so I do think we could inch in tomorrow and probably sell off towards the end of the day. I don't know. This pullback was well deserved for SPY here around 352. But remember, 352 was that midday resistance. And I said I don't think we pulled back, but we did pull back. But now that price here, 352, it can be support, and we can bounce past 354. I didn't want to chase this at all, 100%. I mean, look, it did not even cross under the 1-minute SMA until like 45 minutes before the market closed. So Apple, we'll see what tomorrow holds. I hope this is not a buy the rumor and dump the news, dump the event. We'll see I believe it's the iPhones that are going to be coming out. And AMD, we'll take a look at this one that had a beautiful morning run, but it's very choppy compared to like Apple. Look at that midday support, and it kept on trending. AMD, on the other hand, is a little bit choppy. Look at the 5-minute. Nonetheless, it has room to run back to the 87. So first and foremost, it probably crack or break above the 85. But I don't know how strong that resistance here is going to be. It looks like it held that pre-market resistance very well. Alibaba, another one. I hesitated. I was eyeing this one right here, exactly right here at 305. But I thought I was chasing it here, and this was around the time where I thought we were going to be pulling back in reverse, but it didn't. And look, this is another beautiful pattern. Resistance here in the morning at 305, breaks out, pulls back midday, holds that previous resistance. That previous resistance becomes support. So it trends above the SMA on the 1-minute. And right now we had it's pretty solid close still, above 305. So this one's another one that I kind of got missed. So we still have that uptrend. Usually I'd want to wait for a pullback. So I don't want to chase them all the way up here. The stock's all the way up here. Beyond me, too choppy on the 1-minute. Like I said, for this one, no way, Jose, I'm chasing this one up here. I'm waiting for that drop here to 170, 160s. I'm waiting for that drop. Looks like we might get that drop. A Neo, one that I'm still eyeing. I'm still waiting for that first pop to like the 2260, 2270, and then that first pullback. But nonetheless, still trending higher. These are the shaded gray areas where I'd probably maybe dip by it. Who knows? I need to see and wait to see how strong the support is. But very wedgy here. For the whole trading day, 2182 resistance and 2160. You don't want to trade sideways patterns, guys. You want to trade and you want to look. This is more appealing. These type of patterns where volume's there, but again, you don't want to chase it up here because it's riskier, of course. And especially since we head into elections and we have Trump tweeting like crazy, pumping everything. It's very, very risky. Um, Next one's probably my last one's Tesla. I was waiting for a dip buy. I was waiting for it to come down even more under 438. I know I kept announcing it in the chat. I was waiting for it to just drop. It didn't drop, and I'm not a big fan of this pattern here midday. These reversals. I mean, it's showing strength, but I'm not a fan of that midday. I would have liked if we hit right here very well 4:45 in the morning, and we pulled back to like the 4:43, held, and then ran to 4:48. I don't like this choppiness here. And look, it came back all the way back down to 4:42, but nonetheless, Tesla's it's about to bust an apple. I'm not even lying. Like it's literally the same chart pattern. Look, the SMA, boom, cracked resistance. Above SMA, headed into that 4-hour resistance here at 455. It's my crack and go to 500. You never know. So, crazy day tomorrow. We'll see if the momentum carries. I do think. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below if you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the chat room. Take care.